I am Jovelyn Soyos, and today I will be presenting my oral essay entitled Global Warming, a Perspective of a College Student. Before discussing global warming, let us first ask ourselves why we should care. We should care because global warming affects everyone. Today, we already experience hotter weather, floods, and stronger typhoons. These environmental changes affect our daily lives, our communities, and our future. As a college students, we are not witnesses to these problems. We can also become a part of the solutions. So what is global warming? Global warming is a long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperatures. It is mainly caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps our planet warm enough to support life. However, because of human activities, greenhouse gases continue to increase, trapping more heat in the atmosphere and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Now let's discuss the three major causes of global warming. Now let's discuss the first, fossil fuels combustion. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transportations, and industries release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The second is deforestation. Trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide, but illegal logging, forest fires, and land conversion reduce the number of trees that can remove carbon dioxide from the air. Lastly is agriculture and waste. Livestock farming and landfills produce methane, which is another greenhouse gases that contributes significantly to global warming. What are the effects of global warming? It leads to stronger storms, droughts, rising sea levels, and extreme heat. It also threatens food and water security and decreases the spread of infectious diseases. What to do to prevent global warming? The good news is that there are many ways to help global warming. We can shift to cleaner energy source, stop deforestation, and conserve energy. Environmental issues. Here in the Philippines, we are already experiencing extreme heat, strong typhoons, flooding, and water shortage. These environment issues how that the global warming is happening today. My perspective as a college student. I believe that environmental responsibility starts with us. Every day, we make choices that can either help or harm the environment. By conserving electricity, reducing plastic waste, participating in cleanup drives, and planting trees, we can inspire others to do the same. I believe that protecting the environment is not the only responsibility of the government, but also the responsibility of every student. What college students can do? As a college students, we can join clean-up drives, plant trees, and share environmental awareness with others. By working together, we can help build a cleaner and healthier futures.